Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing good. So, today is my second day here in New Jersey, Newark, and today I'll be traveling to the famous spots of New York. I still haven't decided where I should head to, but without any delay, let's get started. Hey everyone, so I'm here at Keaton Memorial Exchange Place Plaza, and now I have booked an experience, a boat ride. So I'll be making my way to the pier where I'll board the boat. So let's go. So I've reached the Jersey Avenue, and from here I have to walk around a mile to reach the boarding point where the ferry will, from where I will board the ferry. After almost walking for a mile and a half, I'm finally near the pier. I think the place where people coming from, I think that's where I'll be boarding the boat. So let's get to it. It's almost 3 p.m. The security checks are very strict. It's almost like airports. And now this is the pier where we'll be boarding. No, that's the boat. That is the boat, the ferry, and you can see the tall sky rises.
Attention please, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard this new
Self-guided exhibits. Information is available at the desk on the main floor. An informative audio tour is included with your ticket and may be picked up when you arrive on each island.
Hey everyone, so that was all about my day out in New York. I booked the ferry ride via the official website, and I will put the link in the description as usual. There are a couple of choices provided, and since I reached late, I didn't have many choices, but you can go through the website and you can choose which package you want. There are different packages, like one with the option to visit the Ellis Island Immigration Center and everything else. You can go through the website and it's really self-explanatory. So tomorrow morning I'll be going back to India, and pretty soon I will be back on board ship. And so that was all about my travels this year. And guys, if you liked the video, please drop a like, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Till then, ciao.